So this is the fastest way to take the knock sensors off of or replace the knock sensors on a Toyota Tacoma 2016 4.0 engine, or any Toyota with a 4.0 engine. This is the fastest way to replace the sensors. So what I did is I took all the intake manifolds from the top. I removed the injectors right here, and then after you remove the injectors, you take the bottom manifold out too, which is over there. And then after that, what you need to do is that you need to take this off, that is sitting right back here. That's where the coolant goes through, right there. And for that, there is 3 10mm bolts, 1, 2, and then 3, 1, 2, and 3 on each side. You take those off, and then this bracket with this pipe is going to be on the way. It's going to be attached to the back. So it's a 10mm bolt. You take that off too. Then you go ahead and take these 2 10mm bolts also that hold that pipe right here too. 2 10mm bolts. Pull that out of the way, and then what I did is I pushed this back. So I kind of bend it back, this bracket, a little bit, because I couldn't take the other 2 10s on over there. Actually, one broke because there was too much rust. So if you can take those, the 10mm on that side off and remove the pipe, that's awesome. In my case, I couldn't. So what I did is I just pushed this back, bend it a little bit. As you guys can see, it's flexible right here, so it's not gonna break that easily. So I push it back out of the way. Then I was able to get this part out of the way. And once you do that, then you have the pipe free. But the most important thing here to do is to save a lot of time. This will be like a 2-3 hour job like this. The dealership says it takes about 20 hours to do this job, that you have to take off these heads to be able to. So the dealership say you got to take off the 2 heads to be able to get under it and get the sensors, which are right under these pipes. But there is a shortcut for it, and the best way is to do what I told you to do. Once you're to the point, then you come over here and cut these connections to the pipes. This one right here and this one right here. You just cut it. What I did, use this sawzall with the metal blade, obviously. So you cut that carefully, not to cut the wires underneath. Cut these 2 connections, and then this is loose already. Then all you got to do is take it out of here, pull it that way, and then your sensors are right under that, and you should be able to get to the sensors. And that's the fastest way to replace the knock sensors on a 4.0 Tacoma, or most of the 4.0 engines on Toyotas. And there is a quick tip for you guys. I don't know if you knew, but when you install the new sensors, make sure they are in the same angle as these ones. You see the angle on that one? The new one, put it in the same angle. Don't set it like facing down more or up more. Try to set it in the same angle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but very same way. Same time to the other, you see the angle of it. The new one, put it in the same angle.